Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start now. Make sure your iPhone 16 and the target display share the same Wi-Fi network and turn Bluetooth on. Once done, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap and hold the network block to expand it, then tap Screen Mirroring. You're initiating discovery. This is the first actionable step. If you don't see the target, make sure the TV or AirPlay receiver is awake and set to accept connections. Then try scanning again. When the list appears, tap the exact AirPlay or smart TV name that matches your destination. You'll see a 4-digit code on the TV sometimes. Enter that on your iPhone to confirm the secure link. Next, choose whether to mirror built-in display or use as separate display for extended viewing. Mirror repeats the screen, separate gives a second screen. Make sure apps allow AirPlay if audio or video doesn't stream. Some content uses app-level controls. Rather than once connected, control playback and volume from your iPhone or the TV. Gestures and orientation changes mirror in real time. To end mirroring, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then tap Stop. If the device won't appear or the stream drops, restart the iPhone and power cycle the receiver. Turn them off, wait 10 seconds, then back on. This fixes most network and handshake problems. If not, check router settings for isolation modes that block device discovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.